Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the COROS Pace 3, one of the most talked about GPS sports watch for runners, cyclists, and endurance athletes. So let's unbox this and see how the build quality and how lightweight it actually is. Alright, here's the box of COROS Pace 3. First impressions, the packaging is clean, minimal, and very much in line with COROS's focus on performance and simplicity. So here we can find the COROS Pace 3 black with silicone strap. Let's break the seal and see what's inside. Okay, so we have the watch right here. Let's keep that for a moment. Let's see what do we get here. So on the upper section we have the documentation. In this we have the charging cable. So this is a USB A port and COROS's proprietary connector for the watch. And let's see what we have here. So here we have few product safety nuts. Then we have the quick start guide. It's in English as well as in Chinese. I think there are multiple languages mentioned. So yeah, and we have few stickers. This is nice. Let's take a look at what else is there in the box. So here we have the watch. Okay, let's get this out. First impressions, it's surprisingly light in the hand. The design is clean and sporty, and it definitely feels built for the athletes in mind. We have a digital crown here, it clicks as well, and there is a, I think, yeah, this strap is also of good quality, and there's a huge mesh on it which will allow the air to pass. Let's see at the sensor. At the bottom we have the sensor and the connecting pin. Yeah, holding this button will start the watch. Let's see. Okay, I got a vibration feedback there. Let's select the language. Set language to English. Yeah. Okay, I'll use the COROS app to connect with this. Let's download the app. Now that the app is downloaded, let's open and pair it with the, okay, allow Bluetooth, allow notifications. So I already have created an account for this COROS Pace 3. So let's connect using it. Yeah. Okay, location. Got it. So I'll click on profile and I'll open the scanner, which is at the top right scanner. Allow camera access and just scan the QR code. So the same code that we see here, 814410, I see it on the watch as well. I just click OK on the watch. Allow notifications. Next. So since I have already used this app, this is how it looks on the wrist. That's how you unlock, by pressing and holding the crown button. Then we can just move through the daily data available here. Okay, pressing and holding this button we can select watch faces. There are multiple presets. Wellness check, there is alarm, stopwatch, timer, and that's the battery. There's a flashlight as well, and it's pretty cool. You can use it in the night. There are more. To start activity, just click here. Select the activity you wanna start. Let's say we wanna start the run. Okay. It can ask about basic interval. No, we just wanna start the run. So here's the starting button. If you start, it will immediately acquire the GPS signal, and upon doing that it will start the activity. So we have the heart rate, pace, distance, time of the day, all the basic information is there.